9495 on unparliamentary acts and language, I just want to point out that the video that the lady senator presented was obviously opinionated, a propaganda tool, right? It's should be stricken off the record, Madam President. And it's unparliamentary. We've seen videos presenting evidence on issues that are taken up on the floor. Senator Tulfo always comes out with videos showing people being mauled, people being abused for the information of this body to act on that particular issue. But to come up with an opinionated piece like that, ganong klaseng video na propaganda, na sowing intrigue. Kasi ako, Madam President, hindi naman ako sang-ayon sa people's charter change. I was the first one in this institution who fought that kind of move with the PI, and all of us together, kaming lahat, for the first time in the history of the Senate, 24 senators tumayo dyan at pinasapu natin yung Contra People's Initiative, na fake People's Initiative, na talagang kinall out natin yung lahat ng grupo ng tumutulak nun, from the Speaker and even Malacanang, kinalaban natin. Kaya wala kaming kinalaman dyan. Bakit sinama kami dyan sa propaganda na yan? Na dahil kami, Duwag 11? Ano ba yan? Bulaga 11? At grade 13? That should not be shown here. Because what will stop us now, Madam President, for that lady senator, that we come up also with a propaganda video here, papalabas din namin, yung mga sala nila. Oo, kung ano-ano, hindi naman kami ganyan. No? To gain traction, to gain views and publicity, will destroy our fellow colleagues here. Walang ganyanan. Ako, hindi ako nagagalit. Kilala niyo ako. Ako pinaka-amiable dito. Mahal ko kayong lahat. Pero hindi tama yung pangyayaring iyon. Hindi ba? Kung galit po kayo, magsalita po siya dyan, magalit siya sa gobyerno niya. Magalit siya sa kapatid niya. Murahin niya kapatid niya. Pero wag naman niya idamay yung mga tao na walang kinalaman dyan. Katulad niyan, never ako kinausap ni Senate President Soto. Never ako kinausap ng mga kasamahan ko dito about charter change. Kasi alam din nila, tutol ako. Tinanong ko din sila, wala silang kausap, wala silang kinalaman, wala silang alam sa charter change. This whole group is just nodding, shaking their heads. There is no such thing. Inday-badiday na ba tayo dito sa Senado? Kaya nga sinasabi, we're a circus. I apologize to those who are watching. They think we're a circus. We are a circus because this type of language that we are pushing in this August chamber, it's unparliamentary, Madam President. It is unparliamentary. And I'll tell you now, these people here, ladies and gentlemen, in this body are not in favor of any amendments to the Constitution. We just want to bring back the integrity of this same chamber. Cannot we discuss that as a group, as a body, that we fight for our integrity, for the good name to be brought back, for people like Jokno, people like Tanyada, people like Aquino, people like Salonga, even Frank Drilon, people like Miriam Defensor Santiago, Joker Arroyo, who stood here for what was the best times of our institution. Have we forgotten that and we've made it already like a circus? Madam Chair, I do not agree. Because I'm not Maca Marcos. I'm not, so when you come up with a propaganda tool like that, hitting all of us, it makes us look that we are, nasa panig po kami ng mali at nasa panig po kami ng mga demonyo. Diba? May panindigan po kami lahat dito, Madam President. So therefore, you can see my passion on this. I move to strike the horrible propaganda video off the records of this great institution, Madam President.
I support the motion of Senator Mig Zubiri to strike sa record yung video presentation ni Senator Amy Marcos. I've been in public service broadcasting sa media for almost 30 years now. First time na ako nakita ng Hao-Xiao presentation kanina. But before that, let me tell you this. Sana wag nating gamitin yung plenary para sa mga conspiracy theories natin. Sana maging totoo lang tayo. Again, babalikan natin yung sinasabi ko, experience ko sa media. 30 years na po ako sa media. Kapag ako po or anybody from the media, professional, legit, hindi yung house show, pag nag-expose, gumawa ng expose, binabakapan yan ng video related doon sa expose, hindi yung gawa-gawa, hindi yung katang-isip, hindi yung opinion. Pag naglabas ng expose ang isang tao, especially dito sa bulwagang ito, dapat related doon sa sinasabi noong senador. Just like what Senator Zubiri said, nakita niyo naman po, Madam President, every time na ako'y gagawa ng expose, every time na ako'y gagawa dito ng privilege speech, at yung privilege speech ko, binabakapan ko po ng mga sumbong, actual na mga sumbong ng mga taong lumalapit sa aking programa at dinadala ko rito para mabigyan ng solusyon ang problemang inilalapit sa akin. At hindi po yung opinion lamang. Ganun po dapat tayo rito. Now, ilang beses na po tayo nagpalit ng liderato dito sa Senado. Every time nagkaroon ng palitan, ngayon lang po ako nakita na nagkakaroon ng kaguluhan. Why? What's wrong? Dapat hindi na po. Let's move on. Kasi nasasayang po yung oras natin dito, puro na lang bangayan. The people have spoken. Sinasabi nila, enough is enough. We've been like a circus for the past few days. Pinagtatawanan po tayo. I was out there last night. Pag naglalakad ako, kinakausap ko ng mga tao, ano nangyari sa Senado? Ano bang nangyari sa inyo? What's going on? Nakakaya na po. Ang panawagan ko, magtrabaho na lang po tayo. Itigil na po natin to mga kung ano ng mga nasa katang-isip natin. Let's move on because we were voted, elected by the people para magtrabaho, hindi para magbangayan. Maraming salamat, Madam President.
Maraming salamat po. Tayo po ay nakikiisa rin sa sinabi nyo. May katanungan lang po ang presiding officer because we are using either the Filipino language or English. I would like to request the good gentleman from Isabela to use a alternative word to how shall because it may be difficult to translate it. Is that Filipino? I just want to be enlightened.
How shall
Yes.
street lingo meaning fake?
I'm sorry.
Ibig sabihin fake,
Okay.
ibig sabihin peke.
Yes. So that it's clear because I
Pirated.
was also asked. So
Pero Tagalog na yun.
are you there editing or amending the statement?
Ah, sige, from
because
how
even
shall,
the,
let's
the
edit it to
spelling was not clear
fake.
also to the stenographers.
Hindi legit. Okay, yun lang
Opo.
po. Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Madam President.
Since we're talking about parliamentary language, may we also cite that everyone uses either English in its traditional form and Filipino and or other languages of the 120 languages of the Philippines. Thank you. Senator Risa Ontiveros. Thank you.
Salamat po, Madam President. Madam President, sinusugundahan ko rin po ang motion ni Senador Mig Zubiri na strike ang video po na iyan sa record nitong sesyon. Ulitin ko lang po ang sinabi ko last week sa sarili ko namang privilege speech. Ganito na ba kababa ang inaabot ng politika sa Pilipinas? Na hanggang dito sa floor ay magbabatuhan tayo ng putik. Sanay naman tayo sa pakikipagdebate, pagtanggap ng batikos at pagsagot sa mahihirap na tanong. So, hindi ako sensitibo sa puna. Sanay ako dyan. Pero, Madam President, ang pinakita po na video ay fake news. Hindi ko yan pwedeng hayaan kasama ng ating mga kasama na andyan na lang unchallenged. Delivering a privileged speech is not the same as having the privilege to have fake news entered into the official record as if it were evidence. The materials presented made serious claims about the intentions of fellow senators, including allegations about pursuing charter change without presenting proof sufficient to support those conclusions. Kung may alegasyon tungkol sa charter change, ipakita ang boto, panukala, o aksyon. Huwag naman hahantong pa, gaya ni sinabi ng kasama natin, sa conspiracy theories. Dear colleagues, we can argue hard without lowering the dignity of this chamber. Last week, Nag-privilege speech po ako tungkol sa barilan dito sa Senado. Napakarami pong nagsabing magtatanong sa akin pero wala naman ngayon. At ngayon, may bago na naman pong kwento. Ibang storya na naman po ang gusto ngayong linggo. Nakakahiya na, please. Araw-araw na lang bang ganito? Huwag naman sanang dumating ang araw na wala na tayong mukhang maihaharap sa mga Pilipino. At for the record, gaya din ng sinabi ng maraming kasama, malinaw naman ang track record ko na mariin na pagtuto sa charter change at gaya ng sinabi ng mga kasama, wala pong pinag-usapang charter.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, I second the motion to strike that of our records, that video presentation presented earlier, Madam President, because, Madam President, all senators of this chamber, be it the majority, be it the minority, we need respect, or we deserve respect, Madam Chair. We must not tolerate presentation of unparliamentary acts. Yung tayo, yung ating institusyon, Madam Chair, isisirain doon po sa video presentation. Nasisira po yung ating ikanga institusyon. And what we're trying to do, Madam Chair or Madam President, instead of trying to regain ikanga yung credibility of this Senate, ano na lamang po at babanatan po natin mismo ang ating institusyon. Wala pong iniwan yun, Madam President, na sisirain po natin ang sarili nating tahanan. Mabuti po sana kung facts-based po yung mga iprinisit na kanina. Haka-haka lamang po. Akala ko nga po, fake news yung pinapanood ko, which I believe is fake news, which I believe is just an opinion, an idea of one person or one group, Madam President. I think, so I therefore seconded the motion that that video recording be stricken off the records of the Senate. Thank you, Madam President.
Take note of that. Next is Senator Kiko Pangilinan. We recognize.
Thank you, Mr. President. I likewise support the and second the motion to strike off the record the video, Mr. President. Clearly, disinformation has no place in this chamber, Mr. President. Sowing of intrigues has no place in this plenary hall, Mr. President. Fake news has no place in this plenary hall, Mr. President. And I say this by presenting the facts, Mr. President. This representation was chairman of the Constitutional Amendments Committee from August 12 until May 11. And the records will speak for itself. Sabi nga nila, we should seek the truth from the facts and not from disinformation video propaganda. What are the facts? From August 12 until May 11, Mr. President, the Committee on Constitutional Amendments never held hearings on constitutional change. That in itself is proof, Mr. President, that this haka-haka, this conspiracy to commit or to amend the Constitution for whatever reason, self-serving, term extension, Noel, etc. These are lies, Mr. President. At least in this plenary hall and in this chamber, the Senate did not entertain charter change under my watch as chairman of the Committee on Constitutional Amendments. For the record, Mr. President, and I support the striking of the record.